everybody, I'm here today to do an unboxing and review of this Apocabox. This is the June 2018 Apocabox, and the theme for this month is flatline. Now, for those of you that don't know, the Apocabox is a bi-monthly subscription-based box that is based on survival objects. Now, without further ado, I'm actually going to be opening up the objects, giving you a quick overview and telling you about my own personal opinion on them. Now, I actually have this contents list over here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the contents list, I'm just going to place it nicely over here. Hopefully it stays right there or somewhere along here, just to refer to throughout the video. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, it comes with a few little brochures and pamphlets, but one of the things that I like the best about Apocabox is the simple fact that you're not getting a lot of the money based on the paperwork and the brochures and the pamphlets and the advertisements and stuff like that. It's minimal. That means that more of your money is going to get going into the actual content, the actual products that you want inside of the box. All right, the first thing on the list is the bug out first aid kit pouch. And it's this thing right here. Now, I will tell you that I opened it up and I just took a brief look at some of the objects just to get myself prepared for the video. But some of these have been opened and removed from the packaging. Others haven't. So this right here is the first aid kit pouch. As you can see, it's a simple pouch. It obviously has a first aid kit sign on there, so you know. It has two zippers right here. It unzips, it opens up, big compartments, little straps on the inside right over here so you can place stuff and they won't move around too much. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's just a very simple design. It also has these hooks right over here, which you can use to feed a strap through those in order to carry it around a little bit more easily. The next thing is the Apocabox ceramic knife. Now, this is really cool. I actually took a look at it. It looks absolutely awesome. Now, check out this knife. First and foremost, it's very, very lightweight. I'll bring this a little bit closer. Very, very lightweight. It has this convenient little carrying handle on it, so you can sort of hook it on to whatever you want to. The actual blade is quite sharp. It retracts, and it has the Apocabox branding on it. I like the color. I like the knife. It's just a great, convenient knife to use. Very versatile. I would consider this to be a multi-purpose knife. Very, very useful for many different situations. The next thing is the bug out pharmacy case. So right here we have a very simple case. It says that it's waterproof, which is absolutely awesome. You open it up like that, and you can see on the inside that there are many different compartments. I'm trying to do my best to give you the best view without the sun's glare. So you can see there are many different compartments, and you can go ahead and open those compartments, which is really convenient, just like that. You can open up a compartment, place something inside of it, close it just like that. Very useful, very simple, very convenient. Each compartment opens individually for this section over here. You can see each compartment has its own little section right there. And then for this one, if I undo the top, the entire portion opens right here. So you can use this for many different things. You can store many different things in this, and then, you know, keep it protected from the water. It closes very easily, very easy to use. The next thing, I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce this right, but I'm going to do my best. It's the rat's tourniquet. Tourniquet. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but it can be a very useful situation for a survival situation. I mean, if you are trained and you know how to use this properly, it can be something that's very, very useful. I like the fact that it's really convenient. I mean, I also like the fact that it's small enough that you can actually take it and place it inside of your bag over here, your first aid kit. So there are many different things that you can do with this with regards to storage, but it's very versatile. I mean, you can just carry it on a bag, you can carry it in a bag, you can place it inside of a pouch. There are so many things that you can do with it. Moving forward, next up is the emergency sleeping bag. So right over here, it is an all-weather emergency bag, very useful for survival situations. I mean, it's not going to be the most comfortable situation, but it's going to keep you safe, right? That's what you want. You want your vitals to remain up there, all right? So I'll just read you what's on the back over here. Lightweight emergency survival bag, shelters against wind and rain, retains body heat in the cold, useful in the prevention or treatment of hypothermia. So it's very, very useful for a survival situation, and it's so small. small. Like, check this out. You can easily put this in one of the side pouches of your backpack or any bag that you're bringing along with you. Next up is the blister prevention tape. Right here we have tape that is useful for preventing blisters. Now, one thing that I like about this is that it doesn't only have to be used for survival situation. Like, I play the drums, right? I'm a drummer, so I would, I could put this on my hands or on my fingers where the drumsticks rub against in order to prevent blisters. If you're shoveling outside, if you're doing landscaping work, you can use this tape to prevent blisters. So it's just a very versatile roll of tape, something that's super useful to keep around with you. Next up, bug out goggles. Now, eye protection is one of the things that many people overlook. And even someone like myself that wears glasses, we often don't think that we need eye protection, but eye protection is very important, both for the prevention of the sun from getting to your eyes, when you're out in the wild for long periods of time, and also just for the general prevention of injury if you're going in a rocky area, if you're climbing up stuff. And these are very cool because, in my opinion, they look very, very comfortable. I'm just going to place them on right now. I'll take my glasses off. We'll put them on just like that. They have UV protection. They're padded, which is absolutely awesome. The strap is adjustable. It feels adjustable at the back here. Yes, it is, which is awesome. They're just generally great goggles, and they're lightweight, which is a huge plus in my opinion. Last but not least, we have the Stringamajig, your plastic bottle cordage tool. Now, I like when in Apocabox, when the Apocabox, they send you something with instructions, because it, with general things that you get in subscription boxes, you're going to just open them up, you're going to look at them, and you're going to use them. But when you get something from the Apocabox that has a set of instructions like this, I like it because it means you have to do something. It makes it interesting, okay? Like, when I get a subscription box and it has instructions and I have to do something, I'm getting a true value from that box because I'm going to use those instructions, and it's going to take me some time. It's going to keep me interested. It's going to give me something to do. It's just going to be a great thing. Now, here it is, very simple. Here are the instructions. You can look through them and go ahead and use them. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and place this to the side. I don't know where I just put that elastic band. It's in here somewhere, but you know what? It's okay. We'll just leave it to the side. It's totally fine. But that's basically it. In this video, I just wanted to unbox and review the June 2018 Apocabox. The theme is flatline, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.